Hi everyone, welcome to another Anypoint Code Builder short video. My name is Alex Martinez, I am a developer advocate at MuleSoft, and today we are going to learn how to switch Mule runtimes and Java versions in our Mule projects. So once we open Anypoint Code Builder and click on Develop an Integration, you will now notice that we have two new drop-downs right here for Mule runtime and for Java version. The first time you open ACV after installing this release, you won't have any Mule runtime installed. This is because this version of ACV is not bundled with a specific Mule runtime or a Java version. Instead, you will have to use this UI to download them for you. Also, if I click on the drop-downs, you will be able to see that all of them say downloads upon project creation. And the same thing for the Java version except Java 11 because it's already installed in my computer. So let's go ahead and select 470 and Java version 17 and create this project. So once your project has been started, once the runtime and the Java have been downloaded and installed, you will be able to get to our initial screen. So if you click on any of the Mule configuration files, right click on it, and you can select here project properties. So if you made a mistake or you want to update your current Mule application or your Mule project, you can do it from here. If you need to download any additional runtime or install a different Java version, just come to this screen right here. And once you select here another version and click on apply, you will start downloading and installing the specific runtime and Java version. You can also find this configuration if you go to the Mule artifact.json. In here you will see the minimum Mule version is 470 and the Java specification versions is 17. So for example, let's say that I wanted to go back to 440. Now my Java version is unsupported, but I can go ahead and select Java version 11. So as soon as I click on apply, this will start downloading the Mule runtime 440 because I don't have it installed currently in my computer. And once it has been installed, you can go ahead to the Mule artifact.json and now you will see that the Mule version has changed to 440 and the Java specification is now 11. Now let me show you one other thing is if we go to the Anypoint Code Builder extension page and we click on the settings right here, we will be able to see a new setting here that is called default Mule runtime and Java versions. So here you can select the default runtime in Java that you want as soon as you open Anypoint Code Builder. So click here on edit defaults through command palette and it will ask you for the the runtime version that you want. In my case, let's select 463. And for Java, let's select that I want Java 11 to be the default. So now the settings here have changed to 4.6 and to 11. Now if I go back to my project properties, I will be able to see here in the dropdown that my default is 463 and I don't have it currently downloaded. So it says here that it will download upon clicking apply. And my Java version now appears with the 11 as default. It is also useful when you select Develop an Integration if you want to get started on a new project. And you scroll down and now your defaults will be selected here. So in this case, it's 463 and the Java version is 11 because those are the two default values that I selected. Now going back to my project properties, remember that this is a brand new project. So if I click here on connectors, I don't have any connectors right now configured because I haven't really developed anything in this integration. But let me go ahead and open an existing project. All right, this is my other existing project. So let's go ahead and open the project properties to see which versions we have. And right now we have the Mule runtime in this project is 440 and the Java version is 11. Now if I take a look at the connectors, I will see that I have an HTTP connector and the version that this project is using is the version 160. Now let's say that I want to upgrade this project to the latest possible version. So let's go ahead and select the 470 Mule runtime and the 17 Java version. So let's click on apply. So we have successfully changed both versions, but now if we take a look at the connectors, we can see that now we have an error. It says connector version 160 is not compatible with the project's Java version 17, so select a compatible version. So let's take a look at the drop-down. And as we can see from here, there are a bunch of incompatible versions, so none of them are good for the versions that we selected. In this case, the Mule 4.7 and the Java version 17. So we can only select 190 upwards. So let me just go ahead and select 190 and click on apply. Once this has been changed, I can go ahead and check out the POM. So if I scroll down until I see the dependencies, here I can see that my Mule HTTP connector has been successfully upgraded to the version 190. Everything from the UI.